A lot of people watch a lot of videos on a daily basis, but not a lot of them know that they can get the money by watching those videos. Okay, you can get money by watching YouTube videos. I'm going to show you step by step what do you have to do, so hit that subscribe and let's go. This method is going to work all around the world. You can live anywhere and you can make money with this method. In fact, you can just write me down in the comments from which country are you coming from. So maybe I can later make some specific region-based make money online videos so everyone can make that money. For today's strategy, we will need a YouTube account. If you don't have one already, just make yourself a new Gmail account. That's going to be easy. You know how to do it. Create an account, complete this simple information, and we can head on to make that money. So we all know that YouTube has a lot of traffic and they have a lot of videos, but not a lot of people know that they can make money with this. I want to show you this. This is the niche on YouTube itself. It is called gaming, and there is a lot of money in these videos. First of all, there are a lot of them. You can see that there are a lot of these videos, and you can just watch them until you drop dead. Now, of course, there are a lot of these games and a lot of these like trending games which also go live. So you can see that you have Apex Legends or Grand Theft Auto, which are online, and you can just see some of these live. So it's live action. And the truth is that all of these can make us money. But these trending ones, these are the best ones. So you can always choose Grand Theft Auto 5. Now we just have to choose a video like this one, and we have to take it, okay? We have to share this one, and it's gonna make us a lot of money. So once you come on the Grand Theft Auto 5 page, you now just have to choose something which you like. You can, of course, choose these live videos as well, but I suggest that you just head over and go to these videos, go to home, and you will find a lot of these videos which have a lot of views. So for example, this one is really good, 7.7 million views, and this one is also good, 6.5 million views. And you can, of course, do it with shorts as well. So you can just choose your option. Now, my honest suggestion is that you take as many of these videos that you possibly can, all right? Because the more of these you choose, the more money you can make in the end. You increase your chances of getting that money. Of course, you can also mix and match a few of these games, and you can just find the traffic in different places. So now let's say that we have chosen this video. Now the next step is going to be, if you want to just share this like this, if you click on the share button, and now you copy this link and you want to send it over to your friends, let's say. Now they're just going to click on the link, they're going to be redirected to YouTube, right? And then they will watch this video, and there's that. But if you take this link and you copy it, and then you go to this website, which is called shortyearn.com, well, now in here, you can shorten URLs and you can earn money with those links. So all of a sudden, this link is monetized. And the reason for that is that shortyearn.com is going to put an ad before that link. Okay, so whoever clicks on that link will have to see an ad first. Of course, they can skip the ad, but that view is important. Those ad companies pay some money to Shorty Earn, and then they share the revenue with us because we drive the traffic to the links. And there's that money earning potential right there. Now, if we click on the publisher rates and take a look at these countries, so you can see that these are differentiated by price based on the origin of the traffic. So you can get $15 for 1,000 views coming from Switzerland and $25 for Australia viewers. And these like first two, I mean, this is a bit harder to get because these are like small and less populated countries. So we can just focus on these. Now, if you were wondering about the payment options, you can see that you can choose PayPal, or you can just opt for cryptocurrencies if that's your choice. There's USDT, there's BUSD, Cardano, so you can take your pick. Also, one more thing which you can check is there's payment proof section, and you can see how much money these people have withdrawn. And you can see that they have a lot of these pages down there. So you can just do your own research, and then let's go and start making money like this guy here. So the first step with this would be to create yourself an account. You can do that easily by clicking on the sign up button over here. You can also use just Google to sign in, or you can just make yourself your own username, email address, you know how it goes, and let's go inside. Once you have an account there, just go back to the video which we have found. Now you can just copy this link and then go back to Shorty Earn to your account, just paste that URL in here, complete this captcha, and hit on this button. You copy that link and we go to the next step. So basically the next thing that we want to do is we want to find the traffic for that link. So we need to target the traffic and we need to find some sources where we can reach out to as many of these viewers. But there are some great places to reach out to people who like to watch these videos. The first thing that you can do is you can just go over to Steam Community, okay? You can just Google that, Steam Community. This is gonna be the link. Now, this is a forum for gamers, and a lot of gamers are on this forum. This is maybe the most famous platform for games, right? And this forum of theirs has a lot of traffic. I mean, huge traffic is on here. We can check that out on SimilarWeb. SteamCommunity.com on a monthly basis has 128 million views. So these are the total visits for a month. Okay, so that's huge. We can see down there that this is a constant number. Okay, so this website is pretty popular. A lot of traffic is on it, and that's perfect for us because that traffic is going to help us to make money. We can just utilize this traffic. We can use this in our own advantage. So what you have to do is you have to go and see what is trending on this page first. You can check that out by viewing what's on the homepage, and you can just go and engage yourself with the people on forum, make some new friends, just engage and be friendly. So just do a bit of a research on this platform, and then you will start seeing what works and what not. So in a way, you can infiltrate the society on Steam Community, and then you can find appropriate videos on YouTube which you think that they have to watch, okay? The videos which they will like. And then you go and you just start searching. Use the search bar. Use this gaming community. And then, of course, each one of those links you have to shorten on shortyearn.com. This is what gets us paid in the end. Then you take that link and then you share that with the people on this forum, okay? But of course, Steam Community, we actually saw that this is a pretty popular one. But one more way in which you can do this is that you can just Google for top gaming forums. So you can just some of the best gaming forums online and just take a look at this. This blog has top 100. So top 100 gaming forums, discussions, and message boards. I mean, this is like huge traffic for us. I mean, these are all the people who like to watch those videos, right? They do it on a daily basis, but now you can just serve it to them. And honestly, all you gotta do is you just gotta click with your mouse and keyboard. I mean, there's nothing hard in that. You will, of course, have to be a bit of persistent, but if we want to get that money, just like these people on this section are, we'll need to just arm ourselves with patience at the start, and later is gonna be easy. Now, I also found this one, which is called PC Gamer Forums, and I've seen that there's a lot of traffic on this forum, and they cover a lot of games. They just cover a lot of games here, and that's good for our traffic, okay? If we have a lot of bases covered, then we can easily supply a lot of videos. Then we just base our search based on that. And these people on PC Gamer Forums, they have like huge variety of gamers. Some of those are shooters, they have RPG, they have strategy and simulation, and these are all like separate forums, but just take a look at these messages. I mean, that's a huge number. So for a recap, choose the videos from YouTube, just take the link, shorten it here on shortyearn.com, and then just use some of the traffic that I've shown you. You can use anything and you can use everything. So just follow the steps and just apply yourself, okay? Take action, and I'll catch you.